Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to post on Reddit. It's very easy. There's multiple ways. One is where you go and open up the subreddit you want to post in, and then you just go ahead and click on create post right here as an example. Okay, the other method is you can just do this from your home page. You just come here to the top right, click on create post. Okay, here at the top right, click on create with the plus button. And then you select your community. So you can search up your community, okay? Or if you've already subscribed to it, you'll probably find it here. Another community is, for example, Pro Revenge. Okay, you can search that up here and use that. But what I'll do is I'll post on malicious compliance. And this is the subreddit we're going to post in. So here I can write in the title. This is necessary. Anything with a star, okay, that is necessary. You need to do that. That is a required thing. And then here you'll post the body. So let me go ahead and write something down for you. So here we go. We have the title. Okay. And make sure it's something catchy so people want to click on your post. And then we have the body of text. If you want, you can pause this video and read this. If you love reading malicious compliance posts, right? You can also save this as a draft and, work on it later. But if you're okay with this, you can go ahead and just post it. If you're wondering how I did this, okay, the quotation, this is what you do. For example, you just go ahead and highlight that text you want to do that for, and then you click on this quote block. Okay, that is how you do that. And you can also use the other formatting options. For example, we have make something bold, italic. You can do that as well. Let's do it for this one, right? You can make this into italic as well, and do a lot of other things as well. And you can go ahead and play around with these and do your formatting, right? But once you're done, okay, just come and click on post. Of course, you can also add images and videos, but you have to do that with the images and video one. Okay, this is just the text one. So you just come here and click on post. And once we're done, this thing will be posted on the subreddit. As you can see right here, just posted. Okay, and here we go. That is my first post on Reddit.